Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about MCP, which stands for Model Context Protocol, how you can install it and use it on N8N. For those who don't know, MCP is a language model created by Anthropic. It helps different AI tools to connect between them without having the necessity to use the different language models. It's like a language model that unifies many AI tools. This is gonna help a lot, especially when it comes to AI workflows. Let's get into it. So as you can see here, this is an automation to send, receive. Let's imagine you want to receive and analyze an email. You should choose first of all the tool. Gmail, go to Gmail. And then we choose, for example, get, to get the message from Gmail. Once you get this message, if you want to send an email, you should use another tool. Send. And of course, you can use all of these tools. But this makes it complicated. Then comes MCP. MCP will be the language that will unify all these tools. Now, I'm gonna help you and show you how to install it on your own desktop. First of all, you're gonna need to get Git in order to get Node from GitHub. In order to get Git, I'm gonna leave you the link down below in the description so you could get it. Like this is, you go here, you have different methods. In my case, it's gonna be using a Apple computer. So let's install it by Homebrew. We copy this code. Once you copy it, you go to, once you install it, you paste it, and that's it. You type your password, and I'm not gonna download it again because I already have it on my computer, but it's really easy. So once you get the Git, you should activate it. In order to activate it, the only thing that you have to do is go to DeepSeek and show it what the result that you're having in your own computer. As you've seen, where you've pasted the link, and that's it. Once you get Git installed, you should install Docker Desktop. In order to install it, you search desktop Docker. We go down and we download Docker Desktop. You choose your own version, your own computer. You choose if it is Mac, Windows, etc. Okay, installed. I'm gonna pause it because I already have it too. After waiting for the download, we have the Docker Desktop. Now we need to get the starter kit. We're gonna get it from here. 1 second. Like the kits with the N8N. So we're gonna go to and you paste it. It's gonna self-host the N8N starter kit. Once it's done, perfect. We're gonna search for the kits. Self-hosted AI. Yeah. You're gonna search for this document called Docker Compose. Open it with text edits, and you should add this line. I already did it before, but you should add this line here. N8N community packages allow tool usage. So basically, this helps you to use the different MCP tools on N8N. If you want to use the MCP tools, you need to put this line. Once you get this line, we've changed this, we've added this part, but the thing is that you need to restart the starter kit. So in order to restart it, we go back to the document, paste this. Once you've pasted it, Perfect. It's gonna set up. It's gonna be like that. Let's go back to the Docker, and as you can see here, you're gonna have different tools. That's what we're interested in. N8N. So normally it won't be like this at the beginning. So all you have to do, if you click, for example, here, and it says error, don't worry. All you need to do is come back here, choose the container, and pause and restart again. That's it. It's gonna restart N8N. You click again on N8N, and then perfect. So from now on, you're hosting N8N on your desktop. But the thing is that we should go to settings in order to apply the node. Go to settings, community nodes. N8N nodes MCP, and then understand and install, and then perfect. We go back to our settings, we create a new workflow, and let's test. Trigger manually AI agents, or instead of choosing trigger manually, we're gonna choose another one. We're gonna choose chats. Where is it? Chat message. Perfect. We're gonna connect it to an AI agent. Connected trigger chat. Perfect. Chat model. Of course, you should connect with your credentials. Soon I'll be creating a school community in which I'm going to explain to you step by step how to work with AI workflows and how to apply this here. Save. I told you at the beginning of the video, instead of using different Gmail tools, we're going to be using two tools. First will be the lists of the different tools that a specific program uses. For example, in our case, we're going to use Airbnb. We'll be asking the AI to a nice Airbnb somewhere. We go to tool, choose MCP client tool, and let's connect the credentials. Create credential, command, create credential, yeah, perfect. So where can you find the credential? You go back here, N8N nodes. Oh no, it's not here. So we go back here, we choose Airbnb. We're gonna be using this tool because it doesn't need an API key. Airbnb, perfect. Go down. These are the different tools that Airbnb is using. Yeah, and we're gonna use this part, npx. Copy, npx, perfect. And always the arguments should start with -y. Y space. We copy this. We paste it. Space again. Those two. And sorry, let's see. You paste it, and that's it. Perfect. The credentials have been created. So, as I told you guys, the first tool will be a listing tool. So, this listing tool will manage to show to the AI agent which tools Airbnb has. Like, if we say to the agent, we need to make a reservation for a Airbnb for 3 people in Casablanca, Morocco. The AI agent should understand that first of all, it needs to use some certain tools. We're gonna name it lists tools. So these are the tools that Airbnb uses. But instead of choosing list tools, we're gonna use execute tool. This tool, which gonna help the AI to execute the tools that it has chosen from the first tool. Open up these two. Space dollar from AI. Choose tool, and then the tool selected. Perfect. And it should be always, as you can see. Perfect. And now here we're gonna let the AI do its own research, like the number of people, location, for days, etc. Perfect. So now let's ask the chat model. Perfect. Test. Hey, I want to make a reservation for 3 people from March 2025, from 27th of March of 2025 till 1 week after, and then that's it. So now we're gonna ask it. Check out how this tool is amazing. Delete the workflow, and of course, as I told you in the video before, if you didn't see the video, go to my YouTube channel and you're gonna find about N8N, which shows the basics, how to work with N8N, how N8N workflows are set up, etc. So we're gonna ask the AI tool to find us a nice Airbnb, a sunny one, with good reviews, Malaga. So, these are the different Airbnbs. Perfect. Sometimes if it doesn't work, all you have to do is go back to the AI agent, system prompt, system message, and specify that you are helpful assistant, or remove it and say, please check the list tool before any work. Basically, first of all, we need always to specify to the open chat model that, well, yeah, we should always specify to the AI agents the work it will be doing. Back to system message, and we write. First of all, we need to identify that today is today. To the AI agent, that today is the 25th of March of 2025. It's gonna understand it by writing this code. Now, this way. Perfect. System message. Today is now. And then we should tell to the AI agent that first of all, it needs to check the tools that will be listed here and use them in order to execute the task. As you can see, it's an amazing tool. MCP will be the future of AI intelligence. If you saw this video, you're very lucky, because you're going to be able to apply it to your own workflows. Start by applying those workflows. They are really amazing. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, because I'm going to be posting many videos. I'm going to be uploading soon a link to my new community related to AI, so we can make you guys professional in AI. It's going to help you a lot. The community will have step by step how to apply different AI tools, how to automate your own workflows, and how to monetize it. I'm out.